Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Cindy here, back with another video. I know it's been a minute since you last saw me, but your girl is back and ready to put out content for y'all. If you are hearing any background noises, I apologize. They are doing landscaping outside, but I just need to film this video. I got ready to film this video, so we gonna film it, okay? As the title of this video states, today I will unbox with you my wedding shoes, which FYI, I already unboxed it. I could not wait, okay? I couldn't. I was too excited, so I unboxed it and then I reboxed it to unbox it again with you guys. I will also be unboxing my wedding fragrance, which I also think is my signature fragrance. I am obsessed with this fragrance. It is the absolute best. No one can tell me any different. It smells amazing on my skin. It smells amazing on clothes. The longevity. Every time I wear this fragrance, I get a ton of compliments and people telling me, you smell so good. And I know, girl. Anyway, I only had a decant of this fragrance, this particular fragrance that I'm going to unbox today, but because my fiance is so wonderful and he knows how much I love this fragrance, because this fragrance be taxing. It be taxing. I think it's like 400, 450 for a bottle of this fragrance, and I was not about to spend that amount of money. So I was using a decant this entire time, but now I got the full bottle, sis. And I'm gonna be smelling good on my wedding day and every other day after that. So yes, anyway, I know I've been rambling. Let's jump right in. The first thing that I'm going to unbox is my wedding shoe, which is from the brand Badgly Mishka. I butchered that. Don't judge me. I butchered it. I know I did not Google the name before I started filming this video. It is what it is, but it's from this brand right here. I'm sure you guys are familiar with it, and if you're not, they have some banging shoes and clothes, so you might want to check them out. I got this shoe on sale from Nordstrom Rack. The original price was close to $400 and I got it for around $140, $145, which I think was a steal because it's an absolutely gorgeous shoe. As soon as I saw it online, I was not even ready to commit to buying my shoe yet. If you follow me and if you follow the community tab here on YouTube, you know that I recently picked out my wedding dress. So I was just like, okay, you know what? I have my dress. I said yes to the dress. So now let me start browsing shoes. And I was not ready to commit to anything, but then I saw this and I just had to have it because I did not want this price or this shoe to pass me by. Rambling again, but yes. So the shoe comes with some additional little studs for the heel. I don't know what you call those, but I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. And some additional jewelry because it is star-studded, honey. This shoe is gorgeous. It is blingy. It is in your face shiny. Comes with a nice dust bag, which I put the shoe in after unboxing it. It did not come in the dust bag. The dust bag just came as a part of the package. Came well wrapped. And of course I had to rewrap it to preserve my shoe for that special day. And this is it. I really hope that my ring light is not washing out the shoe right now, but it is gorgeous. And I'm going to get additional shots of this shoe on my feet and just me holding it up so you could see it properly. But yes, it is satin all over and then fully blinged out, fully bejeweled on the front. It has a nice pointy toe, which is perfect for the time that I need it. I'm not going to reveal the date just yet. Stay tuned, but yes, I'm obsessed. I'm a size 8. It has the logo, the brand logo at the bottom here, a beautiful nice touch. I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the little stuffing from the shoe, and there you have it. She is a beauty. Again, my camera is probably washing it out, but I'm going to get a few cutaway shots for you guys to see. There might be someone out there who is getting married who is looking for a perfect blinged out shoe like I was, and I think this is a really good choice. It is still on sale at Nordstrom Rack. I bought it online, but it is still on sale, and if it is not out of stock as we speak, I'm going to link it down below for anyone who might be interested. This shoe kind of gives you an idea of what my dress looks like. My fiance has not seen my dress, but he saw the shoe like you guys, so yeah, you could kind of guess what the dress is gonna be like from the shoe. Alrighty, now that you guys have seen the shoe, let's move on to this fragrance, because like I said, this is a must-have. Ladies, this is not even a fragrance review, but let me tell you, Guerlain Spiritueuse Double Vanille, and hopefully I'm saying that right, is a banger. It is a 10 out of 10. It is fantastic. It is exceptional. It is a must-have. If you are going to have any fragrance, any vanilla liqueur type of fragrance in your collection, ladies, it has to be this one. And if you're a guy watching this, let me tell you, you could get away with wearing this too. It is branded, I believe, for females, but it is such a sexy fragrance. I could smell this on anybody and fall in love with it. I would like it on men. I love it on me. I love it on my fiance. Listen, if anyone is wearing this, they deserve a compliment, because that's just how good this fragrance is. It comes boxed very beautifully. Guerlain did their thing with this packaging. Look at that. You open it up, and this is what it looks like. So it has a little baggie here, and this little baggie has in some samples. Yup. For those of you who don't know, Guerlain creates skincare and fragrance. I don't know if they're a niche house or designer. I want to say they're considered more of a niche house. Don't quote me, but their fragrances are chef's kiss good. I've never tried their skincare products before, but I did get a few samples in this little baggie here. Now, what you guys are here to see, Guerlain Spiritueuse Double Vanille. Look at that. Look at that bottle. Gorgeous. But the best thing about this bottle is my fiance got it engraved for me. So it says, "For Cindy with love," right here. I'm going to zoom in after so you guys could see it, but I just think that is a beautiful touch. When it comes to Guerlain, they have two things going on: the bee or the wasp. Like I said, I don't know what it is. Okay, I might put it up on the screen here when I'm editing this video, but they have that, and then they have this other very beautiful logo. I just love their branding. I think these bottles are superb. Child, we are here to talk about this scent. Like I said, it is vanilla liqueur. It is sexy, it is sophisticated, it is sweet, sensual. It has a slight spice to it. It's warm, it's comforting, it's gourmand. It smells like you could eat it. I'm lost for words, okay? I am not DeAndre, y'all. do not expect the proper explanation from me. But when I tell you this is good, let me know in the comment section down below if you guys could guess what designer or wedding house I went with. I did go with a popular designer, so it might not be too hard to guess, but I think it'll be really fun to hear from you guys which house or which designer you think I went with for my dress. There will be wedding content here and there on my channel in the coming weeks, so if you guys are interested in that, be sure to stay tuned. If you are new to this channel but you like this video, or you like my personality, you like something, sis, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. If you made it to the end of this video, shoot, if you just clicked on this video, hit that like button. Help a sister out. We need some likes for the algorithm, sis. Help a sister out. All right. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one.